Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. It is May 16th. I hope everyone has had a pretty solid week of trading. I know I had quite the ride this week. Let's get straight to it, do a quick little 15-minute market battlefield assessment, figure out where these supply and these demand lines are. Um, Relatively easy to spot. And as always, don't want to do that. As always, you will be able to get a play out of this. Now, I like this market. I like this market that's bouncing off the 15 minute, 100, 200 simple moving average. All right. This is a really good market. And it just means that we're bull strong, right? So when you started seeing this happening down here around 20,000, you could have gone and jumped into the market to see if we kind of make the bull run, right? We have that same condition on the 1 hour, and if you know, if you know any of my videos from the past, this is your daily. This is your 4 hours, so we put day, 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 day there. Okay. This is your 4 hour crossover. This is your golden cross. You want to see that golden cross. Sorry, let me get some of this stuff off the chart. Supply and demand, risk bubbles, no. Small work of art here, guys. Yeah, and that's really just like the two simple moving averages that you really need on a chart. After, if this is true, look for longs and be a part of a lot of the long setups on a smaller time frame. So I'll highlight this area here, and I'm gonna say it's safe to take any demand setup going up there on a smaller time frame. So let's go. From this point on, you could have taken this 1 hour demand down there. You could have taken a breakout kind of demand, another breakout, another demand here, and one more demand there. Those were three nice trades, just working off of demand lines on the 1 hour time frame. From that area there, we've got one demand, two demand, three demand, four. That's four plays that are successful. 5, 6 over there. And that's basically what we do. We assess, so we take these two moving averages and then we bring them down to our smaller chart. But before we do that, let's just plot out our supply line and demand line. So clearly we have supply up there, which we rejected yesterday. We got demand down there. And then we got 1 hour demand. And I guess for now, we're going to leave that 722 as supply for the 1 hour. All right. You don't really have any supply here on the 1 hour. So there's nothing to show. There's no supply, no clear supply. Duplicate, remove. What I usually can do is go to the left and basically find supply. So like I said, I put this one up there. This one is what, 1 and change, too far down. And yeah, so there's this one right here that we can use. Okay, so we have this supply that lines up with basically our other one over there, as you can see. Okay, let me go ahead and not take it from up there, but extend it. You know what? I'm trying to extend this to the left some more. Just double click it real quick. Take it back to 2022. Okay. Now we can go and take this line. It's so weird. Okay, I thought I was tripping. So we can go take this line now and just put it right there. So it's a little bit higher actually than the 722, 772. So I'm gonna leave the 772 because that's a macro 4-hour level, right? And I like it. So that's our market. That's our battlefield for today. Usually have the numbers up here, so let's turn that on. And write this in. So 21772. Demand at 21224. Demand at 21192. And supply at 21529. All right, so we have our battlefield now, and I guess all we can do is trade. So market's coming back into this 15-minute kind of kill box there. I wonder if I should do that. All right, so once we're done with that, we just go look at the charts. You understand the mechanisms for the trade over there. Look at this. Rip right through that cloud. 72. I was gonna pick some of this up yesterday just because like it's a good healthcare company, and dropping that low seems like a good deal. But I'm gonna wait to see if it hits the 100. Anyhow, I'm gonna queue. All right, so then we come back here, and just like in the 15-minute, that 200 is where the market keeps bouncing off of. Shit. Let me jump here real quick and save this grid. The one, the daily doesn't have it. So yeah, this pattern has been what we've been trying to see for every time frame. Doesn't matter. You see this pattern working on any time frame, that's money. That shit's money. Here's the 4-hour, kind of just started right there. So we'll see how that goes. And these are just plays. This is a squeeze. The squeeze is still shooting. It's up 3R. The risk there was 327 points for a $655 loss. And if you can swing that, thing is moving. So, and look, this price action is clutch. We had a nice conversation yesterday about identifying price action that you want to see when the market is squeezing, and flags or consolidation sideways into the green band, shoot up. Guess what's gonna happen today? Probably get a dip into it and then a shoot up. So I do like it. If we break it, then we break it, but consistency, right? For that reason, I'm gonna turn on the money zone. Money zone. It is on. Oh shoot, that's crazy. So the money zone cloud is there. So essentially, we want to go long this kind of condition. Getting a nice bounce off of this inside of this gray cloud here. Wires just stepping in. Hmm. Okay, cool. Oh shit, that didn't work. Look at that demand trade right here. Now it's coming in. Good morning, my brother. Sorry guys, I didn't notice I was on mute, but this trade here is this box right here telling us this demand line can go. We have another demand line box here, so we got in around here, right? So 21.53, so around there 5.3. So it was like right before we left the box.